Why choose a white toner printer over all other customization options out there? It all comes down to these game-changing advantages. First, multi-surface versatility. White toner transfers can be applied to almost any material: cotton, polyester, leather, neoprene, and even hard surfaces like wood, acrylic, glass, and ceramics. Unlike DTF and DTG printers, which are primarily limited to garments, white toner printers give you the flexibility to create stunning designs on textiles and beyond. Next, cost-effective setup. White toner printers offer a lower initial investment compared to other methods. Plus, ongoing costs for supplies and materials remain economical, making it a smart choice for businesses of any size. And what about ease of use? The simple workflow is perfect for beginners and pros alike. Little to no training is required to start producing high-quality transfers. Not to mention, there's no need for pre-treatment. Unlike DTF or DTG printing, white toner printers skip the extra steps like surface pre-treatments or adhesive powders, saving you time and hassle. Plus, they handle varying production volumes with ease. Whether you're just starting out or scaling up for the holiday rush, white toner printers can adapt to your needs. Add more printers as you grow without breaking the bank. From versatility to cost savings, they're the perfect choice to grow your custom printing business. Digital Heat FX makes it easy and affordable with exclusive white toner printer bundles and expert support. Ready to learn more? Visit digitalheatfx.com or call 877-793-3278 to speak with a product specialist today.